Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we got the example of a harmonic pattern setting up, and just to show you the way I approach the markets. Really, I look at the markets in cycles and phases, and ultimately what's got to catch your eye is the old higher highs and higher lows, but big picture ones as well. So AUD JPY was a trade sent today. This went out to people I said trade for and to. Send trade operates trade signal service, and yeah, this is a really nice pattern. So just deleting some clutter. What we have here is a market works in cycles of 3. So just to follow this down for you, we have an area of, we have a push 1, push 2, push 3, high highs and high lows. And now we're trading between this high and this high, an internal kind of structure. So this technically should come back down to here. It's moving up and down in the large consolidation zone. We have broken this structure here, and internally we've broken this structure here. So that all looks quite good, making a case for longs. But as we know, as I mentioned a second ago, the market works in 3, and that 3 cycles completed. What we can see here developing is, again, trend-like structure. This is a high, this is a higher low, this is a higher low, higher high, sorry. This is a higher low. But this is all very elementary. What you need to add into this is some harmonics, so you get an idea of swings in the market. Let's just do a couple of random harmonics. So just taking this line here to here, copying it, moving it around. See, it brought us right into these lows as well. So we know that the market's enjoying this sort of vibration at the minute. Not quite there. Obviously not quite there, but certainly there. There. You can see that in that particular harmonic the market's enjoying. There's another harmonic there as well. I'll do it in a different color so you can see. Harmonic here. There's another one as well. I'll do it for you. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. You know, harmonics are in action, and just to really drum home this point, this final harmonic kind of fits there. I mean, this should be looking at this sort of move, so that gives us a an inclination of what to expect. What we can see here between this high and this low is price tried to break out. It kind of did here. This was the actual broke, so it did break structure. Let's be clear. It has broken its structure, and it has created higher lows. But when we get the old gift of the harmonic back out, you can call it Thor's hammer. Just comes out just to hammer things into place. We get a really nice. These are silly entries, but they're really real entries. 40 pip stop, 500 pip move. It's crazy, but it's real, and you can learn to do this stuff as well. It's not hard. So we can see the harmonics in action. Just show you where this move's been repeated before. So each market is programmed with these harmonic moves. So let's go a bit further. At the minute, I think this one's coming down. We are trying to induce traders with higher highs and higher lows, but because people haven't got the experience of using harmonics, it's quite an uncommon tool. Let's just have a look closer. 4 hour, what we've got going on here. This is what I drew out earlier. So you can see the harmonic pattern in action. So this will be measured out. It's hand drawn, no indicators. So don't do indicators. Let's go over it. So what we have is here to here. These are weekly cycles. So we've got price selling off, arguable really. But we can see a low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, double bottom. break, got to retest. So that gives you another bias on taking the trade. It's that you want the retest. Well, you know the retest is going to happen. So we've got an ABCD. AB, I have to write this down to forget it. ABCD with no retest equals gold. Right, next. So we got this general framework, and ABCD is complete. Remember the rule book, AB equals CD 60% of the time. So 60% of the time this will work. So the other 40% of the time, this CD leg is a variation of this AB leg. So the variation is it can be 127, 1.27 times bigger, or 1.618 bigger. Let's measure it. Well, I'm going to say that's pretty close to the 127. This and this is never bang on. If you think it's bang on, then you're missing the trick. If it's bang on, everyone's making money. The markets are always falling short on patterns, just to not allow orders to be triggered or to make people doubt and then chase trades. That's just how it works. So yeah, we're on the money with this one, following the trends lower. So let's just drill down to the 30 minutes. See what we can see. So took heat on this. Did take heat on it. Just to be told of this. So you can definitely see 3 pushes to a low. So when did it all start breaking down? Have a look. So we've got the top of the ABCD pattern drawn here. That's really got nothing to do with the structure. We did have this nice double candle formation in and out. Doji on a large time frame led to a nice 3 push move higher, but real breakdown happened here. So we have 1, 2, and it was always going to give a third, and here's the third off this area here, and there you have it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the content. Thanks.